Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel AMT Cubing, and in this video I'll be revealing Steven Brundage's 1 second solve. So the cube you see in this table might look completely solved towards you guys, but if I just do one simple turn and you guys could see that the cube is scrambled. And when I was reacting to Steven Brundage's magic trick, I told that I will be making a video on this, on how he did it. So I'm here to explain to you guys.
I'm twice as hard. We're going to take the Rubik's Cube. It's going to happen right in front of your face. If you actually blink, you're going to miss it. Watch, completely mixed up from there, less than a millisecond.
What do you do with that? That's ridiculous!
So guys, this is a scramble, and as you guys could see, 3 of the faces are solved and 3 of them are scrambled. So when he showed to the judges, he actually showed these 3 sides, and then he did this quick motion, and then the cube got solved. So guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to do this. So guys, for the way in which Steven Brundage did, you must have the white facing towards the top and green facing towards you, and you must do this scramble U prime D L2 U B2 D2 B2 D2 L F prime U D prime R U prime F2 L F prime B prime. And this looks like a solved cube, but in reality this is completely scrambled. So guys, if you guys want to fool your friends or your family members with this, make sure to do it and share it with all your friends, and subscribe to this channel AMT Gaming as well as my gaming channel AMT Gaming for more uploads, and we'll see you next time.